Hi, today we will learn how can we allow user to select a color from color picker and he can update those colors in the header. So where we have different kind of variables which we can use and allow the user to update them at runtime. So let's see. I will cover some basic variables so you can play with different other variables as well. So let's see. We have an ion item. We are adding a color picker. So let's see. We are adding a label called BG color. So we are asking user to select color. So here we have ion input with type color and boom. Here it will load and we will see a color picker with a label BG color. So yeah, here it is. I will show you how many variables we can update for ion-toolbar. So let's see. Here you can see user can select BG colors. So let's connect it with the header. First we need to detect change event. Here we have a function called change color. So this is a custom function here. We will call it on every change. Now we will go to folder page. So and here we have change BG color function. Here we will what we will do, we will get the user selected color here and we will manipulate the DOM element which we are targeting ion-toolbar. So let's do that. So we have constant ion header and we will target it using get element by tag name. So we have ion header. So to be more specific, to select only the toolbar which is available inside the header. And again, because we don't have any thing for the ion header, so we use ion-toolbar, because here you see in the ion header we have ion-toolbar, and ion-toolbar has different kind of variables available which we can update. So let's target this ion-toolbar now. Let's say we have ion header dot get element by tag name, and inside it we have ion-toolbar. Ion-toolbar, and here we will select this one and style it. We will style it and call the function set property. Here we will give the variable name which we want to update. So ion-toolbar has variable name background. So we will update its value according to user preference. Let's say e.target.value. So now we have connected this header with the color picker. So let's test this one. Wait for loading. Yeah, let's quickly change this. So we are using change BG color here. Yeah, it happens. You see here we can update easily the background colors. We can use custom color, we can use any color. Just we need to update the specific color variable which is exposed by the Ionic component. So let's see. Let me show you other possible variables which ion-toolbar give us the option to update. Here you will see I am in the Ionic toolbar documentation. So at the bottom of the documentation we have a list of color variables that are exposed by the shadow DOM to update different styles. So we have background, which we have used currently. We have border color, we have border style, width, color. So this color is for text colors, min height, opacity, padding bottom, and this and that. So these are possible color variables which we can update either from the SAS file or from the user selection. So I hope you learned, and especially this video is about from the comment in my previous video. So I was late due to some personal things to do. So I will be happy to create videos on your comments. So do comment under my videos if you have any question, if you have any other component update or style or any other thing. So I will cover every component of Ionic, and I will tell you about different customization we can do with the components and exposed CSS variables, and without exposed CSS variables, how can we update colors and how can we manipulate the shadow DOM. So I hope you like my video. Do like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the notification button. So bye bye.